Hi guys, welcome to what is our partial evaluation of Introduction to Engineering. Today we will talk about biomedical engineering and the general applications that can be developed throughout the world.
Before we can explain what it is, we'll talk a little about its history. The biomedical engineering has a confusing origin, as some people believe that its birth is based on the application of technology for problems solved in particular of the individual persons. More specifically, with the processes of the Big Toe mates, beware of this, more than 3,000 years ago. Don't you think it's amazing? Meanwhile, other people believe that the birth of this engineering is with Leonardo da Vinci and his anatomical drawings based on the letter R. This, without leaving back to Lord Kelvin and Luigi Galvani and their investigations regarding electrical conductivity in living beings. No matter what the birth of this branch of human knowledge was, we have to say that, thanks to biomedical engineering, millions of lives have been changed around the world. And from the place of realization of this work, we know that the figure of people helped by biomedical engineering will only increase.
Okay, after that, we can define biomedical engineering according to Matihali. This is a science that applies the principles of engineering to medicine and biology. This is in order to improve the quality of life of people, especially those with some kind of disability. This is done through applications of knowledge in areas such as physics, chemistry, mathematics, and linguistic development, which in turn leads the, to various applications and subtypes of biomedical engineering.
Now, what the biomedical engineer leads immediately to us, which are the field of actions? Fortunately, because we want to explain this, and because it's also necessary for this presentation, we are proud to say that the biomedical engineering has the following approaches.
Clinical engineering. This branch is responsible for the administration and technology management of all those technological elements with which it has a hospital. It is in charge of ensuring the quality and reliability of the devices who are in the clinic. In addition, another of its functions is that of understand the needs and requirements that doctors may have. How biomedical engineers can solve them. This without talking about the participation and advice that should be provided to management in the taking of decisions about the institution.
Rehabilitation engineering. On the other hand, rehabilitation engineering is based on being able to partly or totally restore the mobility or functioning of any part of the body in those people who are in the situation of disability, reversing the negative effects of of deficiencies they have as a result of past accidents or genetic problems. Additionally, rehabilitation engineering is also responsible for the potentialization and improvement.
Third, the bioinstrumentation. The bioinstrumentation is based mainly in the development of technologies and biomedical equipment. For example, electrocardiograph or defibrillator. The development the software for the proper functioning of the new technologies and the recollecting of the patients.
Fourth, biotechnology. As a last approach, there is biotechnology, which firstly, it involves the capacity to evaluate materials that may be compatible with the human body, this to be implemented in prostheses or orthoses. In addition, the biomedical engineering can make genetic modifications in order to treat diseases in addition to being able to improve function of a certain type of cells and tissues.
As we can see, the biomedical engineering is a science to broad, a science totally dedicated to the human being, and who is possible to improve their quality of life to the science and the human intelligence.